Before you measure anything, you need to read here first. 2 parts of A to 1 parts of hardener, that's a 2 to 1 ratio by volume. If your resin is measured by weight, the method changes. In that case, you use a scale, not a measuring cup. For measuring by volume, your measuring cup does the work for you. Each set of lines shows a different ratio: 2 to 1, 3 to 1, and all above. Here, we're using 2 to 1. If you fill part A up to here, the correct level for B is shown directly above it. Start with A and fill up to your chosen level. I'm filling to this A level, so part B must be at the level directly above part A. After mixing for 3 minutes, we transfer the resin between 2 cups, allowing bubbles to rise before pouring. This helps reduce unmixed material, and while it rests, clean your measuring cup immediately. Isopropyl alcohol and a simple wipe is enough. When your measurement is precise, everything else becomes predictable.